Hey guys, so we woke up. This is my son. He has a very serious cough. He woke up feeling so sick. As you can see, he's not looking bright at all. But now I'm about to give him a very magical medication. This medication I'm about to give him is something you can use to treat cough. You know all this dry cough that when you try to cough it out, you have pain in your chest and you also feel pain in your head. That's what my son is experiencing now. He woke up feeling so feverish and he's been coughing a lot. So I want to give him this treatment and I decided to make a video of it to share with you guys. As you can see, he's coughing seriously. So how do I make the treatment? Just go ahead and get a lemon. Place the lemon on your cooker. If you're using stove, place it on your stove. Just we are going to like roast it, not really roasting, but I just want to warm the lemon. I don't know why I'm doing this, but this is how the person that gave me this recipe told me to do it. She said I have to roast the lemon on fire. And guys, this is not my first time trying it. I've tried this treatment for three times or thereabout and they helped. It worked. So that's why I'm here to share with you guys. So once you're done roasting the lemon, you will feel that the lemon becomes soft. But here I am hitting it on the table to make it softer. I want it to be very soft so it will be easy for me to squeeze out the juice. So now that I'm done, I'll go ahead and cut it into two and extract the juice. Squeeze the lemon juice into a sieve. You don't want the seed and the particles to get into it. That's why I am sieving it, okay? So once that is done, I will show you the next thing you're going to be adding to this. I've tried this treatment like 3 times and it helped. I don't know the reason why we have to roast it, but my friend that gave me this recipe always say I have to roast it, and the guys, for some reason, this is working. So once that is done, I'll go ahead and add little salt into it. Once I add the little salt into it, I'll go ahead and mix it. If you have raw honey, you can go ahead and add raw honey. But because he's a child, I don't want to add honey into it. But if he's adult that will be using it, you can add honey, okay? So now I'll go ahead and give him about 2 tablespoons of it. This boy, one thing I love about him is that when he's sick, he doesn't stress me. Whatever you give him, he will take. If I give him medication, he will take. Whatever I give him, he will take. So now we have to wait for about 2 hours and let this medication do its job. So like I said, guys, this is very good. If you have serious cough, like dry cough, you can try it. If you are adult that will be using it, you can use honey. Look at it. This is after two 2 hours. Did you see how did you see how active he is? So now he feels much better than the way he was feeling in the morning. So guys, try this treatment if your child is having dry cough, or if your child is having cough, or if you are having cough. See you in my next one. Bye.